All right, on your pool, you can actually put some music on if you can, and if you guys can see the actual lights working. You could have the whole pool lighting up. You could change the pool light. You can change any pool light you want color, and it's very effective. All right, today we're gonna bring an outdoor LED light for your above ground pool. Now this one hangs in the water. It comes with a wire so you can hang it in the actual pool. It could be any kind of pool pretty much. So we're gonna test it on two pools today. We're gonna try to test it on two pools today. So they give you the instructions where to download the app, because you can control this with the app and change multiple colors to music, different tones, and of course you need power. This is not waterproof, so keep this away from the actual water. They give you a long cable, all right, a lot of ribbon. It's all tangled in here, if you guys can see that. The actual mounts, in case you're gonna mount this. So let's put it to a test and see how beautiful it looks at night. So underwater, this is how it would look like. Or some sort of suction cup, so you could make sure you could suck in on the corners here, right? So let's go ahead and test it out, see how it looks.